I hear crackling of tree limbs. There's an evidence of a tree limb right there in the street. I focused in
Can you turn your light on?
and everything. My wife says turn the light off. But anyways, I wanted to show the snow and maybe hear crackling of the wood. The tree limbs are crackling and everything. It's heavy wet snow. There's evidence right there. Like I said, major update, it's bad out there. There's my messed up car. There's over there by the church. You can hear the melting. It's about 32 degrees out here. 31 degrees now, so it's sticking and should be freezing soon. Anyways, this is a major winter storm. We're going to listen for crackling of wood. You hear that? Did you hear that? We hear crackling of the trees. I call this light snowing, but it's moderate snow probably. Been snowing since 12:30 Friday afternoon. I hear the crackling of the wood. Let me know if you hear that. Major winter storm. There's our footsteps. It's been covered.
Yeah, footsteps you covered up already.
Yep.
Ow.
I still can't believe we did that. Or you did that. I'm going to blame it on you. That car damage. Oh,
I'm still shaking.
looks like the thing is barely hanging on to that water thing. I want to have somebody look at it, see if it's safe to drive tomorrow. I'm lucky to be home. It looks like it's really badly damaged and I may have to replace it. The whole car. If so, January 31st, I'm going to do a huge fundraiser to help me match. I'm probably going to have to put a down payment. I can't have just a cash car because I go traveling a lot and everything. Gotta get my lungs looked at next month. So I'll make a major decision on that tomorrow, but I think it needs to be replaced and everything. Everybody, I'm going to stop and listen for crackling wood. Haven't heard it in a little bit. You can see the breath of my breath there in front of the camera. Up. Ooh. Ooh. It's getting dangerous up here in mid-Missouri.
Yeah, there's like lots of tree limbs are breaking because of the
Uh,
heavy wet snow.
I'm waiting for a power outage. Waiting for a power
They
outage.
said it's not supposed to stop until 12 o'clock.
I think maybe, honey, we need to turn on the heater a little bit. Turn it up high or something. I don't know. But,
No, because this tree is like hanging right on top of the house.
and look at the power line right up there.
They're just hanging down.
Look, power line's right there to the house.
Comes down.
Little bit of wind there, so if it gets windy, the tree limbs are going to go down.
They're just crackling
They're just
all night.
Yeah, I heard that. Did you guys hear that?
They've just been crackling all night.
This is about 1:30 a.m. on a Saturday night morning.
It's about 2 a.m.
About 2 a.m. on a Saturday morning. We are in a major winter storm in mid-Missouri. And we still got until tomorrow night. Pray for us. This is Dakota Family. Like, comment, and subscribe.